Hi everybody, it's Lori Smith here, also known as Ebonwing, and I am going to show you, especially for a friend in West Virginia who has never done this before, how to light one of these, which is a special charcoal formulated for burning incense on. I have the charcoal. As you can see, I have a bowl, which I actually made myself, and I have some clean sand in it, because this charcoal is going to get amazingly hot. So we need to have something to insulate it from the bowl, and the bowl has a nice thick bottom, so you can see that that also insulates it from the tabletop. And I have a little bit of kaifi incense here. We'll burn a little bit of that in my pretty little bowl there. And then afterwards I will talk to you about what this is for, but I won't actually show you. I'll just tell you what it's for. Ooh, mysterious. Okay, so let's get this charcoal lit. Got a match? I have here just a plain set of kitchen tongs, because you can hold this in your hand to do it, but it can be a little bit risky. So there. Now watch carefully. See? Okay, I don't know if that is progressing. Let me light another match. Sometimes you have to do it 1 or 2 times before the charcoal will fully catch. But I think you may have seen the little kind of hiss of sparks there going through it. Come on, you. There. Oh yeah, now we're seeing the sparks. This charcoal is a bit elderly, so it just might take a couple of tries. Let's try it one more time. I can definitely smell that it's burning. The important thing is not to touch the parts where the sparkles are, because that is going to be very, very hot. There. If you look closely, you can see the red sparkles moving through it? That's the sign that the charcoal has caught. And if you put it down, you'll see how the sparks are kind of moving along in a line? That's what you're looking for. So what you do at this point, you can put incense on the charcoal at this point, but you might as well wait until it's all finished, kind of foaming up, so to speak. When the sparks reach the end and peter out, your charcoal is ready. Now I have here a little bit of kaifi, which is my beautiful red wine kaifi jar, hand lettered. Kaifi is a type of Egyptian blend incense, which has honey in it, it has red wine, it has frankincense and myrrh and copal. It's very nice stuff. So let's put a tiny little bit on the charcoal, and you'll see what happens. See, there you go. And you can just use your hand, or you can use some feathers to waft the smoke wherever you like. Oh, I haven't smelled that in a long time. Oh, does that bring back memories? So, yeah, as you can see, it's smoking very nicely. And the charcoal will stay really, really hot for about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on the age of the charcoal, what brand you buy, etc., etc. Don't forget, you can use your fingers to pick up the charcoal when you're lighting it, but it's much better to have even just a set of just kitchen tongs. You can buy special tongs for incense, incense charcoals. But, why not just pick these up at like a kitchen store? They're probably going to be cheaper than a new age one. So yeah, there you go. That is my demonstration of lighting a charcoal and putting some incense on it. Now what's going to happen next off camera, is I'm going to take this, which I can already feel, it's already very hot. There's a big heat dome right about here. I'm going to take this very carefully into our kitchen. I'm going to use this spoon to carefully go under the charcoal, and I'm going to put it right into our metal sink and run cold water on it. And that should stop the heating process. And I'll leave it there in the sink for a little while. I'll come back every so often. I'll run some more hot water on it just to make sure it's out. You do not want to put this into the garbage. No, bad. And you don't want to put it into some of the some of the bathroom types of vanities that are kind of like a plastic kind of thing on the inside. No, you have to have a metal sink or a heat resistant container of some kind, and then run the cold water on top. Okay, so that's it. Thanks everybody for watching, very greatly appreciated, and I will talk to you all later. Bye bye.